Hey guys, welcome again to All American Cooking. Today we're cooking a ribeye steak in a cast iron pan with butter and herbs. You're gonna love this. Check it out. So let's make a cast iron ribeye steak. We've got a beautiful ribeye steak, boneless. You can see 1 inch thick, probably better than that. Beautiful marbling, choice grade. We've got some butter, unsalted. We've got some smashed garlic cloves. We've got a sprig of rosemary, a couple sprigs of thyme. Let's make this happen. We've got a cast iron pan heating up. You can see it's smoking. That's what we want. So the first thing I want to do is I want to cover this ribeye with a little bit of oil that's going to help the seasoning stick. So I've got some avocado oil. We're just going to squeeze it on each side. We're going to go ahead and rub this thing around. Make sure it's evenly covered in oil. You see I've got some Wagyu fat here. Wagyu fat, oh yeah, that's going to help make this thing that much richer. We're going to throw that in a cast iron pan. Let that start to melt rather than using oil or butter. So now that I've got this thing covered in oil, we're going to season it generously with some kosher salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and then, of course, some granulated garlic. SPG, folks, that's all you need for a good steak. So I know you're looking at this and you're thinking this kid is beautifully seasoned, but you might notice that I seasoned the board as well. That's because we want to make sure the sides of this thick, beautiful, boneless ribeye are also seasoned. Don't forget the sides, kids. That's very important. So with our cast iron pan preheated at high, that Wagyu tallow melted beautifully, it's smoking. Let's get this steak in there. And now after 6 minutes on one side, take a look. Oh, the color, the crust, the bubbling fat, absolutely beautiful. Flip it over. And now we're gonna add a half a stick of butter on the other side of this pan. Take a look, and then once that butter really starts to melt, what's wrong with adding a couple of smashed cloves of garlic? There can't be anything wrong with that. Are you kidding me? Flavor, baby, flavor. And then we're gonna add some fresh herbs. We've got some rosemary. We've got some thyme. We're gonna add that. Look at that beautiful sprig of rosemary, a couple sprigs of thyme, that bubbling butter, that Wagyu fat. So now it's time to baste this kid. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna tip the pan a little bit to the side after we wiggle this steak around. Oh my God, it looks so good. Take a look at that. Oh, look at that beautiful color. So now we're gonna just, with a gloved hand, because this cast iron pan is hot, kids. So use a gloved hand, tip it a little bit, grab a spoon, move those herbs over to one side, the aromatics. Now we're just gonna take this butter, this fat, this beautiful herbed butter, the garlic, the fresh herbs, and just baste this kid for a bit. Oh my God, you can't believe the smell. Oh, you're gonna love this. The other side. And just keep basting. Oh, yes. Look at that gorgeousness. All we're doing is we're adding flavor to this side of the steak that's already been seared. We'll check it in a minute to see where the temperature is at. Like that. If you have to, give it another flip. Look at the golden brown, beautiful color. That is gorgeous. Keep on basting. Back the glove. Flip it over. Get that butter, that Wagyu fat, that garlic, and them herbs. Oh, beautiful. This is going to be so delicious when it's all said and done. Now here's something we're going to do you might not be able to do. We're going to add a little more of that Wagyu fat. right on top of that bad boy. Let it just ooze on in there before we flip it one more time. Oh my God. So now here we go for another flip. Oh, you see that? That is gorgeous. Some more basting. Those aromatics, that garlic, that thyme, that rosemary, the butter, the Wagyu fat. Get it all in there. Get it all in there. Yeah, it looks burnt. It looks browned. But I'll tell you what, that is nothing but good flavor. About 1:30 or so. It's time to pull her off. So let's shut her down. Look at that beauty. I'm gonna set her there for rest for a moment. You're gonna let all them juices inside just kind of mellow out, redistribute themselves within the steak. So we'll let it rest for a minute, and then we'll slice. And then just because we can, there's nothing wrong with basting it with a little bit more of that beautiful butter and Wagyu fat. That's been beautifully aromatically seasoned by the herbs. Nothing wrong with that at all. Our beautifully sliced steak. You can see the edges, a little bit of well doneness, but the rest of it, medium rare, perfect, pink, gorgeous. Probably can't see the color. I don't have great lighting here. Let's try that. No, you can't see it, but hey, that is a gorgeous piece of meat. Don't eat boring food. Cheers. We'll see you next time. Oh, come on. Oh, my God. Are you kidding me? Holy fuck. All right. Let's see if the puppies approve. Rocky. Rocky. Here you go, buddy. Oh. We got approval from Rod. No, we need Obi's approval. Sit. Good boy. Wait. Wait. Look at that beautiful boy. Take it nice. Good boy. I think we got approval from the pups. All right. I don't normally do this, but I got some good lighting. You could see the glisten, the pink. It's freaking perfect. And so damn tender. Don't eat boring food, kids. Make better steak. Make better everything. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment. Throw a like. Hit that notification bell. Find out when new videos come up first before everybody else. We'll see you next time. All American Cooking. Love you guys. You have never had steak this tender and this flavorful. Cheers, guys. Seriously. Oh my God. Don't eat boring food. Come on. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Please subscribe. 1,000 subscribers. I'm putting out merch. T-shirts, hats, hoodies, everything that says, don't eat boring food. Help me out, guys. I need your support. Love you all.